Meet Jane. Jane's home is very special to her, and over time she has spent a lot of time and money improving and maintaining it. Every year she had her heat and air inspected, and she made sure to keep everything in great shape. While she was at work one day, she got a call from one of her neighbors and found out that her house was on fire. Jane never thought that this would happen to her, and she was in shock. The fire department kept the fire from spreading, but most of the damage was already done. Along with the smoke and fire damage, the water from the fire hose made Jane's home unlivable. The fire investigator ruled that wiring in the clothes dryer caused the fire. Jane filed a claim with her homeowners insurance company and got the process started. Even though she had loss of use coverage and her insurance company paid for her to rent another home, Jane wanted her home back as soon as possible. Finally, after 6 months, the construction was done and she was able to move back home. Jane was happy that her life was starting to go back to normal. A few weeks later, she received a letter in the mail from her insurance company stating that they were non-renewing her policy, even though the fire was electrical and not her fault. Jane was devastated. She had her auto, home, and life insurance with them and had never filed a claim before, but that didn't matter, and she had 3 weeks to find new coverage. Jane called several insurance companies only to get declined or a quote at a rate 4 times as expensive as what she had been used to. The next week, she received a letter from her mortgage company stating that if she did not secure a new policy, that they would force her into their own high-priced Substandard policy. Jane knew the pressure was on and time was running out, so she searched the internet and found homeinsurancealternatives.com. They paired her up with a specialist that quickly found her an affordable replacement cost policy from an A-rated carrier and handled everything with her mortgage company. Homeinsurancealternatives.com gave Jane the break she so badly needed. Jane was happy she could put all this behind her. Take it from Jane. If you're in a similar situation, go to homeinsurancealternatives.com to get connected with a specialist today.